Hey guys, today we're going to be building
Lego City helicopter.
This is going to be very fun.
Okay.
And we're going to teach you how to build it.
Starting here on the bottom piece.
Yeah, we're starting here on the bottom piece.
Careful,
Now.
there's little pieces you're going to lose. Okay. Alright, so now we need more yellow pieces.
Oh, here's another one.
Go on the ends. There we go. Okay.
Next page.
Big blue piece. Maybe this one.
Yes. Goes at the back. The back right here. If you can't do it, I'll help you get it in.
Voila. Okay. Number 9. Okay. We need a red. This thingy goes next to the blue thingy. And then there's a brown flat piece.
Brown flat piece.
Nope.
How did you find that before me?
I was looking at the picture. Okay, and then the big red triangle pieces, like this. Yeah.
Why is this so wobbly?
I don't know, but don't lose it. We need it later on. Okay, and then long red pieces. There's one. Can you find the other one?
Wait, what are we looking for?
Long red piece.
Oh.
Good job.
Right here?
Okay. And then...
Wait, Mom.
This doesn't go here. It goes a little bit closer, actually.
No, they don't go on there. That doesn't go
Right
on
there.
there.
Okay. And then 2 little red pieces with a little hook. Ooh, here's one.
One. Okay, what does it look like?
It has a little hook, see?
Here, I'll put it on.
Okay, and 2 little black gun looking pieces. See?
Yeah.
Goes on the side.
Now we need another one. This it?
Yep, that's it. Okay.
It looks like a little revolver. Where does it go?
Put it over. Yep, like that. And these 2 pieces. 2 pieces.
Both of them?
Yep.
There.
Okay.
Little revolvers. Oh no, there's a plane after me.
Okay, and then yeah, a bigger black piece.
This.
No, don't take off anything. We gotta find black triangle pieces. Oh, or gray actually. And go on the rest of this. See the other one? Oh, here it is. Put it on there. On this part. Flip it over. Flip it over. Nope. So the square part. Yep, there you go.
Looks like we needed to pause
And
something.
then we need these little stair pieces.
Stair pieces.
We go like this.
Found it.
Okay. It's right there.
Boom.
And then the computer board piece.
Is it? Did you find it?
Oh, maybe this one.
Yes. Let me put it on.
Okay, it goes.
Okay, I know where
Whoa,
it goes.
relax. Right there. Wrong way. Don't snatch things.
Stuck.
Breaking the rest of it. Okay. Okay, now we need these big boxes, and we put these flat pieces on. It's supposed to slide in, I guess.
How do you like slide it
It
in?
makes a door.
How did you slide it in?
You just put it on the front, and it makes a door. Just like that. And push. Perfect. Okay. Well, we have that done. Put on
Let me
the
open.
blue part.
I'm putting my space open.
Oh, just shut it. I need it open in a second. Okay. We're getting there.
What you guys making?
And then we need this big red guy.
Are you
Go
making
right
my thing?
here. We're making your helicopter, Mr. Pilot.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Okay, and then we need this piece to go
Bro,
right
this
here. Excuse me. Okay, and then there's two white ones. Oh, don't be doing that. It's not funny. Bubbles out. I'm not gonna help you if you're gonna be a butt. Wrong way. The bubble's out.
I don't know how to do it.
Let me show you.
Let me do it.
Let me.
Got it on.
Okay, and then this little piece goes
Ew. I'll get it.
right there. Wrong way. Flip it over. Oh, look at the picture. See the bubbles on top? Oh, there you go.
Can you give me some chocolate milk, Mama? Because I'm
Alright,
thirsty.
maybe when we're done with this, right? Okay, and then a blue piece on the side of the white one.
I'm gonna go get a drinky. I'm back from getting a drink.
Okay, I'm gonna put these little round ones on here like this. Okay. And
How did you do that so fast? Where does that piece go?
really sure what it's telling us to do. Okay. Put this on the front.
Wait, I think that's the.
And these. Don't break it.
I think that's the bottom of it.
Yeah, could be. And this. And this.
The last part is on my head.
And this little piece. Okay, we don't need it on your head. Please put it down before you lose it.
I won't lose it.
Jimmy. Okay, and this goes on there. And then these go down here.
Mom, you like my glasses?
No, I should have put it down.
These are my glasses.
It's not going so much rather than doing this. You're just going to goof. Not even helping. Okay.
I think it's gonna have 2 points.
4.
What?
Apparently it's helicopter number 4. Okay, and then the flame wing.
Wait. This part's last.
Whatever it tells us is last. Okay, the propeller. Is there another propeller? No? Okay.
This goes on there.
And then we connect this to this somehow.
On the front. How do you do that? Oh, you put a yellow piece.
It's on the back. I think. Yeah. There we go.
And then we need the bottom.
Okay. And then we put this somewhere.
Right up here.
In here. This one in here. And the windshield goes in here.
Wait, can I put the
And
guy?
then the bottom goes on.
And then the person.
Hold on. Got a couple more pieces here.
His hat fell off.
It's helmet, I mean.
I call stuff hats.
Yeah, it's a helmet. Okay. And then we gotta put these inside these. I think this is a shooter, maybe?
Shooter?
It kind of looks like a shooter. It's a fighter pilot. Okay, and then these go
I'm not gonna.
on here. Alright, and then we attach them. Oh no, it helps attach the wing. Blades, that's what it does. Okay, look at that. Look at. Okay, and then you can put the guy in. Perfect. Put your shield down. Good. Oh, here's binoculars.
We found them, yay! They were in the pile.
Yeah, they just went black like I thought. It was in his hand there.
So now you can see.
Where do these little lights go? Oh, you shoot them. You go in here and you can shoot them.
How do you shoot them?
Don't know. But you better be careful you don't lose them, because they're tiny and clear. Okay?
I'm not going to shoot them today.
Okay, well, put it in there and then you push this.
I think you just shot the screen.
I did. And you pull it out, put it back in.
Please don't shoot it yet, because I want to shoot it this time.
Okay.
What do you press?
Press this little button.
Okay.
So hold on to the helicopter with one hand and push this with your other hand. So you gotta be more careful because they go flying and they're lost. Tiny little things. Then you have to pull that little lever out, put the bullet back in, okay? Alright, we're just gonna put these in here for now and then we'll leave them in there.
Okay, because we don't want to shoot them.
Yeah, we don't want to lose all of them. Okay, but there you have it. Lego helicopter. Do, 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 do.
Mom!
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't say anywhere to put the planes. Planes are just hanging out there.
Hello?
So you just keep them around with you if you want.
Wait,
All right.
I think we
Say
skipped.
thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our channel. Spend the day with PB and J.
Yeah. Subscribe.